Did you know over 70% of Ford drivers don't know about the built-in features already hiding inside their own vehicles? These are not rare options or aftermarket tricks. They are factory-engineered systems designed to improve reliability, save money, and prevent major repairs. The problem is most owners are never told how they work or how to use them. As a result, drivers replace parts unnecessarily, struggle with issues the car can fix itself, and miss out on features that could have made ownership far easier years ago. In this video, we are uncovering 10 Ford's most overlooked and misunderstood features that can completely change how you drive, maintain, and protect your vehicle. By the end, you will probably wish you had learned this much earlier. And let's get started with one of the most unknown features. Feature number 10, global window control using the key fob. Many Ford vehicles allow full control of all windows directly from the key fob, yet most owners never discover this feature. By pressing and holding the unlock button, every window lowers at the same time, instantly releasing trapped heat from the cabin. This is especially important in hot weather, where interior temperatures can exceed levels that damage dashboards, infotainment screens, and wiring insulation. Reducing heat buildup also lowers the workload on the air conditioning system when you start driving. Holding the lock button raises all windows again, securing the vehicle quickly without walking around it. This feature is designed for comfort, protection, and convenience, yet it remains one of the most overlooked Ford functions. Feature number 9. Intelligent battery management reset. Modern Ford vehicles do not treat batteries as simple plug-and-play components. The car continuously tracks battery age, charge cycles, voltage stability, and electrical demand. When a new battery is installed, the system must be told that the battery has changed. If this reset is skipped, the alternator may charge incorrectly, leading to overcharging, undercharging, or unstable voltage. Ford provides a built-in reset procedure that can often be done without diagnostic tools. To reset your Ford's battery management system, start by turning the ignition on without starting the engine. Make sure all accessories like AC, radio, and lights are turned off. Within 10 seconds, flash the high beam headlights 5 times. Then press the brake pedal 3 times within the next 10 seconds. If done correctly, the battery warning light will flash, or a message will appear confirming the reset. Turn the ignition off and wait a few minutes before starting the engine. This tells the vehicle a new battery is installed and allows proper charging behavior. Performing this reset allows the charging system to protect the battery properly and dramatically extend its lifespan. Feature number 8, automatic climate control self-calibration. Ford's climate control system is far more intelligent than most drivers realize. Over time, especially after battery disconnects or electrical glitches, the blend doors inside the dashboard can lose their correct positions. This causes common complaints like hot air on one side and cold air on the other, weak airflow, or inconsistent temperature changes. Many owners assume this means a failed actuator and spend money replacing parts. However, Ford built in a self-calibration process that allows the system to relearn correct positions without removing a single component. To perform climate control self-calibration, first turn the ignition on without starting the engine. Turn the fan speed to maximum and set the temperature to the lowest setting. Don't touch any controls for about 60 to 90 seconds. Once completed, turn the ignition off and wait another 60 seconds. Start the engine and test the AC operation. When performed correctly, the system relearns correct door positions and restores factory-level AC performance. Feature number 7, adaptive transmission learning control. Ford automatic transmissions constantly learn how you drive. Every throttle input, braking habit, and acceleration pattern teaches the transmission how to shift. Over time, aggressive driving can cause harsh shifts, while inconsistent habits can create hesitation or delayed engagement. After repairs or fluid changes, the transmission may continue using outdated learned data. Ford includes an adaptive learning reset that clears this behavior and allows the transmission to relearn from a clean slate. To reset your Ford's adaptive transmission, start the engine and allow it to reach normal operating temperature. Drive the vehicle gently through all gears, from low to high, under light throttle for about 10 to 15 minutes. Avoid aggressive acceleration or towing during this period, as it can teach the wrong behavior. Once the cycle is complete, the transmission will adapt to your driving style with smoother, more accurate shifts. Feature number 6. Engine and transmission protection modes. Ford vehicles are equipped with advanced engine and transmission protection modes that actively safeguard critical components. These systems continuously monitor parameters such as engine temperature, fluid pressure, transmission load, and sensor readings. When values approach unsafe limits, the vehicle automatically adjusts performance to prevent damage. This can include reduced throttle response, limited RPM, altered shift timing, or even temporary power reduction. These modes are preventive, not indicative of a failure, yet many drivers misinterpret them as a mechanical problem. By slowing power delivery and controlling shifts, the vehicle protects expensive components such as the engine block, turbochargers, and transmission clutches from catastrophic damage. When protection modes activate, continue driving gently and avoid heavy acceleration or towing. Check dashboard warnings for fluid levels, temperature, or other alerts, and allow the engine or transmission to cool if necessary. Feature number 5. For-scan tweaks for deeper customization. Many Ford vehicles include hidden software-level features that are not accessible through standard dashboard menus, but they can be unlocked using a diagnostic tool called For-scan. This software communicates directly with Ford control modules. Features such as enabling global window control, disabling auto start-stop, adding digital speed readouts, adjusting turn signal behavior, and unlocking hidden lighting options can often be activated. These features already exist in the vehicle's programming, but are disabled based on region, trim level, or factory configuration. To use For-scan, connect the vehicle to a laptop or compatible device using an OBD2 interface. Open the For-scan software and select the modules you want to access, such as BCM, IPC, or ACM. Navigate to the available options and enable or adjust the desired features. Following the software prompts carefully. Always save changes and exit properly to prevent errors. Then test each tweak to ensure functionality. For enthusiasts and tech-savvy owners, this feature transforms a standard Ford into a highly personalized and smarter vehicle. Feature number 4. Keypad functions beyond unlocking. Many Ford vehicles equipped with the SecuriCode keypad have far more functionality than simply locking or unlocking doors. Beyond entry, the keypad can be used to program additional driver codes, temporarily disable certain vehicle functions, and even trigger remote start in compatible models. For example, individual codes can be assigned to family members or employees, allowing you to track access or limit vehicle use. Some models allow you to lock the glove box or trunk using the keypad, providing extra security without a key. Additionally, the keypad can serve as a backup method to start the vehicle when the key fob battery is dead. Most owners are unaware of these capabilities and continue to use the keypad solely for door unlocking. Understanding the full set of keypad functions can improve vehicle security, convenience, and peace of mind for all drivers. Feature number 3. Temporary disabling of backup sensors for trailers. Ford vehicles equipped with rear parking sensors are designed primarily for everyday driving. When a trailer, bike rack, or cargo carrier is attached, the sensors detect it as an obstacle and continuously trigger warning alerts. To prevent this, Ford includes a temporary sensor disable function built into the vehicle system. This feature allows drivers to turn off rear sensors while towing without permanently affecting safety systems. To temporarily disable the backup sensors, access the vehicle's settings menu on the infotainment screen or control panel. Navigate to the parking assistance or sensors section and select the option to temporarily turn off rear sensors or enable trailer mode. The system will remain off until manually reactivated or until the vehicle is restarted, depending on model configuration. Unlike pulling fuses or disconnecting wiring, Ford engineered this feature specifically for towing convenience and to prevent drivers from ignoring alerts when they actually matter. Feature number 2. Throttle body relearning function. Modern Ford vehicles use electronic throttle bodies that rely on precise calibration rather than mechanical cables. Over time, carbon buildup, battery disconnects, or electrical interruptions can cause the throttle body to lose its learned position data. When this happens, symptoms such as rough idle, stalling, hesitation, or delayed throttle response may appear. Ford includes a relearning function that allows the throttle body to recalibrate itself without removal. During this process, the system relearns idle airflow and throttle plate positioning. To perform the throttle body relearn, first ensure the engine is off and the battery is fully charged. Turn the ignition to the on position without starting the engine and leave all electrical accessories off. Press the accelerator pedal slowly to the floor and release it fully 3 times. Then, start the engine and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes without touching the throttle. After this procedure, take the vehicle for a gentle test drive to allow the system to fine-tune its settings. Once relearning is complete, idle stability improves and throttle response becomes smoother. Feature number 1, steering system self-centering adaptation. Modern Ford vehicles equipped with electric power steering include a self-centering adaptation system that continuously monitors steering inputs, vehicle speed, and road conditions. This system ensures that the steering wheel naturally returns to the center position after turns, improving driving stability and lane-keeping performance. Over time, after wheel alignments, suspension work, or battery disconnections, the steering may feel unusually heavy, light, or slightly off-center. These issues are often not due to misalignment, but are caused by the EPS system needing to recalibrate its steering angle sensors. To perform steering system self-centering adaptation, start the vehicle and ensure it is on a flat, level surface. Turn the steering wheel fully to the left, then fully to the right, and return it slowly to the center. Once completed, the steering should feel natural, centered, and responsive across all driving conditions. The bottom line of this video is that your Ford is full with genius features, but most drivers don't even know about them. These hidden features are engineered to protect your vehicle, not confuse you. The problem is that most owners never learn how their car truly works, avoid unnecessary repairs, and extend the life of your Ford well beyond average expectations. See you in the next video.